Hey, I'm back here with another video, and today we are opening a Lego Ninjago Lego set. The Lego movie. Yeah. So here is the Lego set. It's 7 to 14 or 11, so that's good. I can build it. It's 312 pieces. Characters to come with Kai, Roo, and Garmadon. Jungle Garmadon and a skeleton. So, yeah, here's the back. Some cool features. It's the Masterful, that's what it's called. So let's take a look. Let's take a look inside. Whenever it gets open. See ya. Okay, finally I got it open. Just tear this box. So let's see. Bag 1. The directions. Only one direction because I didn't say number, so probably one directions. Let's see what else. And this is bag 2. So bag 1, bag 2, and the manual. So I'm going to do time lapse so you don't fall asleep. So see us when you're done. See us when we're done. Back here, let's start with the characters. So first, the skeleton guy here. So he has a map of, let me see for a second. There's a ship map. I don't know. So he's like a regular skeleton. First thing, he's like a face. You can see him in that pumpkin. We got a pumpkin guy in his face. So Kai. So here's Kai. So Kai has these crazy hair. It's kind of like his hair from another one, but it's a little different. He has 2 faces instead of face. He has a suit, and he has 2 swords. That's Kai. Let's do Master Roo. So he has this thing right here. You put it around him. When you take it off, that's how you put it on. You fix it. That's why you kind of took it off. Let's fix it real quick. So here's a beard, here's his stick he always has to fight. So that's Master Will. Let's go to Garmadon here. Jungle Garmadon. So here, 2 bodies. He has this little cape right here. He has this hat. He has 2 swords. Most of the keyboard has this nice printing right here. this thing is supposed to be right, it's mostly right here, it's in the back. And you saw like other Ninjago sets. You saw Ninjago before when they put the shows out and stuff. So here's this. So stuff right here. This is a cage right here. So if Gordon capture him, they just put him like in the jail. Just like that. This is just a bridge right here. You can walk around the bridge, and then if you fall in the water. Suppose you just walk up here. And this is just like decoration for the bridge, smile. And back here, right here, this is where he goes. So, say if you come here and try to figure out, like if you do something, try to fall right here, then he's right here. So, then you have a door for nothing. Yeah. This is a door, not Bloxville. It's a door. And you just walk out. Blah, blah, blah. I can just like, Robert. Ah! So that's Lego Ninjago movie set. So I might do more. I got Lego blind bags. The Lego movie blind bags, a blind box of them. And I do it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. The blind bags I'm gonna do in other videos. I really don't know yet. So that's it, and see you next time. Bye.